So that was the first test of my homemade milling machine. And it does cut metal, that's a good thing, but there's still too much play in the table. Part of the play was coming from the Y direction, which is this axis, and part of it coming from the X axis, which is the axis this way. And I went ahead and disassembled the top part of the table and make sure everything was tight. And the result of that is that the play in the Y-axis is almost completely gone. There is still a lot of play in the X-axis. I noticed that the saddle is actually warped at the underside. I did create this saddle on a real milling machine, so I'm not sure where it went wrong, but that's a very substantial problem. You can see this movement is all because of the warpage in the saddle. The side to side movement this way, coming from the X-axis, needs to be fixed. The way I have done that right now is by using two metal bars, which are these. There's one on this side and one on the other side. And they should prevent the table from moving side to side. I want to redesign these to where I can use set screws to create a tighter fit on the ways. These are the ways. And also I want them to clamp down so any up and down travel is removed. The ideal solution would be using dovetails, but I am unfortunately not in a position to make dovetails at the moment. Maybe for a future plan, but for now I have to make do with what I have. I'm going to give this another try to see if it is any better. The spindle speed is set on 1900 RPM. It surely cuts much better, but there's still too much play in the entire setup. You can hear it chatter a lot, but all the problems can be fixed. Now let's try some side milling right here. Wow, look at that. That made me so happy seeing the chip fly off. It really makes me feel good to finally have some result. So this is the top slot I did. And this is the side. Right here it's about 1 millimeter deep, and the setup still felt really good, so maybe I could go even further. I would like to try some aluminium, but I'm afraid I have to dig through my scrap pile. Usually I don't use that stuff. I found a heat sink and a piece of aluminium tube. Let's have some fun with that. Well, now at least I know why all those drill to mill conversions on YouTube start milling aluminium. It's soft like butter. I'm not lying to you if I told you this is the second time I machined aluminium in my entire life. It eats aluminium for breakfast. By the way, the vise isn't trammed in, so the cut isn't perfectly perpendicular. Now let's see if we can have some fun with this. I mean, that's just satisfying, isn't it? Server finish isn't that bad as well. I definitely have to look into getting some aluminium stock. It machines so easily on this thing. But I want to machine steel as well, so there's some work needed. But I'm definitely very happy with this result. Well, that's it for this video today. I am very happy with the result, and I hope this is worth a subscribe from you. If you're not subscribed, make sure to do that, and also like this video. And next time I will probably be working on fixing the table. I want this machine to mill steel like it does mill aluminium. I know that's pretty impossible, but at least going to try that. Thanks for watching and until next time.